My name is Mark, and I'm going to learn Welsh in a month with the help of my very lovely daughter, Erin. If she can remember what to say. Do you want to try that again?
Oedyn ni agen.
Ydyn ni angen.
Ydyn ni agen. Bisgwidi.
Pysgod. Nawr, ydyn ni angen pysgod. Tatws, potatoes.
Tatos. Potatoes. It's like when Daddy
Moron.
says potatoes, isn't it? Sorry, again.
Moron. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah, so shock led.
Chocolate.
So then, and the lead out of pen.
Okay, chocolate. Chocolate.